Hello guys, I'm Cyril Brun, the cellar master from the winery Charles Heidsieck in Reims in Champagne. Today I'm very proud to introduce you our 3 non-vintages. We are going to start with the very latest addition, the non-vintage Blanc de Blanc. So it's a pure Chardonnay, 100% Chardonnay. And this wine has been really created recently, and it's kind of recreation because we have had some Chardonnay non-vintage for many years in the winery. And yet recently, 2 years ago, we have decided to make it again. So this wine is mostly made from Chardonnay from the Côte des Blancs for 50% of that, but we also use some Chardonnay from the Montagne de Reims, like places like Villers-Marmerie, and from the Côte de Sézanne, and last but not least from Montgueux, in the very southern part of Champagne. So the idea behind the making of that non-vintage Blanc de Blanc is really to capture the essence of Charles. We have this body, we have this texture, this very round, soft, creamy finish, and at the same time, it's a true invitation on the nose. You get this minerality, refreshing, crispy profile, and you will love it. Delicious. Cheers. The second wine I would like to introduce you is the non-vintage rosé. It's a rosé, and of course it's made by blending red wines and white wines together, and we do that for many years. We are going to make red wines in one hand and white wines in the other hand, and it's going to be blended together just before the bottling. The result is a very interesting wine because we are going to add extra structure, extra body. You will get a bit more fleshy profile. Of course, you will get a pinker color, and thanks to that, you will be very happy to enjoy this wine with other type of pairings. That's a wine that is very gastronomy oriented, and thanks to that, you will get this kind of texture, creamy, fleshy finish, and you will be happy to enjoy it with some starters. It can be also some meat, some kind of more tasty profile, rich profile. And the nose, you have these very engaging fruit notes that are so beautiful. I'm sure you're going to love it. Cheers, enjoy. Finally, the most important champagne from the range, the non-vintage Brut Reserve. That's really the wine that is capturing the winemaking DNA of Charles. So it relies on reserve wines. That's the wines I have behind me. And we always use at least 40% of reserves. And it's going to really provide a lot of body, a lot of structure, and a very long complexity and a lot of depth. And thanks to that, this champagne is going to become very versatile. You will be happy to enjoy it as an aperitif, but you can also have it with food. So we are going to use 40% Pinot Noir, 40% Chardonnay, and yet 20% of Meunier. And thanks to that blend, we are going to get the best of each and every of the 3 varietals we use. So we'll get the structure and body of the Pinot Noir, you will get the elegance, this very crispy mineral touch of the Chardonnay, and finally the fruity profile of the Meunier. We also aged our wines very long in the cellars, and thanks to that, we are going to amplify all those elements from the blend. It's beautiful. Delicious. Cheers.